Are you having hypersensitivity in your skin, especially in the scar area if you just had surgery? If you are, I want you to watch this video. Make sure you watch it to the end because I will demonstrate to you a very effective technique that I use with my patients to remedy that hypersensitivity in the skin. Hi, I'm Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and I help people get pain-free and feel alive without pills and medication. And if you find value in this video, please click on that thumbs up icon. It makes a huge difference. Let's get right into it. If you're suffering from hypersensitivity of your skin, most of the time the cause is the nerve is irritated, especially if you had surgery around that scar area, because the nerves will be cut when they do the surgery. The nerves are going to get damaged. That scar area around there, it will be hypersensitive. The common symptoms can be tingling, can be itchy, can be burning, or it can even be pain. What I want you to do is what we call a desensitization technique, and I have used this in a lot of my patients with hypersensitivity on their skin, and it has worked very effectively. So what you're going to do is get something that has it's soft or the smoothest texture. You can start with the most common material that I start with is a cotton ball. So here's what you're going to do. So let's say, for example, this is the area where you have hypersensitivity. You can have a scar there or not, doesn't really matter. So what you're going to do is use the cotton ball and rub it around the area. So rub it in the entire area where you have hypersensitivity. What this will do is it will desensitize the nerve. It will keep bombarding the nerve with the stimulus so that it will get used to it and it's not gonna bother you anymore. So start with something soft, because if it's more rough, then the symptoms will be more extreme or will be worse, and you may not be able to tolerate that. So the cotton ball is a great way to start, or a very soft, let's say, cotton towel, right? And then rub it in that area. You can do that 5 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day, and you will notice even in the first couple of days, you're gonna notice the sensitivity goes down. And as you can tolerate more, then you progress with the roughness of the texture of the material. So from a cotton ball, you can go to a cotton towel, then you can go to a rougher one, maybe a terry towel, going all the way up. Ultimately, if needed, you can use sandpaper if it's necessary to really eliminate that hypersensitivity so that your skin will feel normal again. Now, I don't want to oversimplify this, but the desensitization technique is that simple. Basic concept there is go from something that's smooth and soft, progressing to something that's rough. And you just keep bombarding your skin with that stimulus, so that way it will get used to it. Very similar to how you treat allergy. You keep giving the body that stimulus, that allergen, and your body's gonna be immune to it, or the body's gonna get used to it, and it's not gonna react to it anymore. There you have it, the desensitization technique that is proven to get rid of your hypersensitivity. Please share this with others so it can help them get rid of their hypersensitivity as well. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I know your time is valuable. I hope you find value in this video. And please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on your notification so that you can get alerted once our new video comes out every week, sharing more tips on how to get healthy and pain-free. In the meantime, just go watch the next video.